Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija news and entertainment. Ultimate Love Kachi developed sleepless nights because of his love for Rosie. Kachi and Rosie were recently crowned the ultimate couple in the just concluded reality TV show called Ultimate Love. They started as strangers until they developed feelings for each other, which led them to winning the finale. So happening today, Kachi posted a picture of his partner Rosie at about 3 a.m. this morning on Instagram, suggesting that might be the reason why he's still awake. Obviously, he was thinking about the love of his life, Rosie. A fan reminded him that it's 3 a.m. already, also teasing him that love is sweet, which Kachi replied saying love is limitless. On the picture he uploaded on Instagram, he wrote a small note for Rosie, which reads, "You were called several names, yet my love for you grew before their bugging eyes. You were called a teacher, but they forgot the values and knowledge you impacted developed our society. I bet I call you my Burj Khalifa because your beauty is impeccable, you are priceless, and have set standard for generations to imbibe. Your intelligence is top-notch and the wisdom that springs forth is contagious. Indeed, class is permanent." Kachi is definitely in love with Rosie, there's no doubt about that. We Roxy fans are happy their love keeps growing from strength to strength. It's our prayer they continue to live happy ever after. Thanks guys, please don't forget to share your comments in the section below and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.